Alright guys, today we're going to do a video on an Android app called Drumpad Machine Make Beats, made by EasyBrain. Now, it looks like this app is becoming very popular, so I wanted to check it out and see what all the fuss was about. Let's scroll down, let's see what the ratings and reviews are. It looks like it has 4.5 stars. That's not bad. The comments say it's easy to use, addictive, awesome music, great sounds. Too many ads though, so we'll take a look at that. I just installed it now. Let's go ahead and open it and take a look at it and play with this thing. Okay. Here's the first ad already. At least you don't have to watch the whole thing. Alright, so here it is here. So basically you just tap on these squares and you just make some music. Let's see what we can make. Huh, pretty cool. Now if we tap on the top left hand corner here we can go to sound packs and see what else they got here. Let's try golden hip hop. Let's see what that does. I'm gonna tap on get the sound. And of course we gotta watch an ad. Close video. Alright. Come on. Oh, okay. So to get these, you gotta watch those videos. Okay. So you're forced to watch these ads to get new sound packs. Well, that sucks. So here we are watching an ad. Man, it takes forever. I mean, look at that thing. It's taking forever. And if you exit out of it, it looks like you don't get it. So, looks like this is an ad for Pac-Man, some type of Pac-Man game or something. Alright, it's almost there. So, oh man, I don't like that. I don't like these ads because it just, man. A lot of these new apps, they just have ads galore. Okay, here we have it. It should load it up. There we go. Alright, let's test it out. Let's try to find out like a okay, so down here are the drums. So maybe we can do Man, you gotta have like you gotta use your fingers at the same I mean, if you're really good with music, you could probably make some good stuff here. Now I see why people like this app and why it's becoming so popular because it's pretty cool. Let's see what these other buttons do. I have no idea what that button does there. There's this one too. I guess the beats per minute, you can change them up here. Pretty cool. Pretty cool app. If you really like music, I can see how you can get addicted to this. Or it looks like there's more stuff you can do here. You can do records, pitch, video tutorials. Let's take a look at the video and tutorials. They could show you how to do stuff here, I imagine. It goes to YouTube and it teaches you here how to do it. So if you really want to learn, they have video tutorials here. As you can tell here, look at that. Yeah, she's good at it. Look at that. A lot better than I am. Look at that. Ha! That is awesome. Look at her. Whoa. Man. So you can get really good at this. Look at that. Nice. So that's how you do it. You just keep it pressed. Alright, let's go back and try some of that. Let's see. I don't think I'll be as good as she is, but see if you keep it pressed. Well, let's see. Let's try this. Hey, I gotta get some practice, but you guys get the point. I think something I would try is like that, and at the same time do that, and something like that, right? But it reminds me of the piano, man. You gotta use both of your hands for this. So that's pretty cool, guys. So let me know what you guys think about this app. It looks pretty cool. Let me know if you guys were able to get pretty good at it. Let's rate this real quick. Now, because of the ads, I kind of didn't like it much, but I'm gonna give it 4 stars. If it didn't have ads, I would give it 5. But every time there's ads, I gotta go with 4 instead of 5, guys. I think if you upgrade, you could probably get it without ads. I saw something there about that, but yeah, I'm gonna give it 4 stars. I liked it because it's pretty cool. Because once you get good at it, I mean, you can get pretty good there. You can show off there if you get good at that. So let me know what you guys think about this new app. Comment in the comment section of the video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna make a lot more app tutorials like this. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Have a good one, guys.